Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to connect your e-commerce in Monday.com with your profile. So if you want to connect your e-commerce with your profile, you need to log into Monday.com. And when you do log in, the next thing that you need to do is you have to open Zaps or Zapier. Wait a second. Yeah. So Zaps is actually linking, or I would say relaying application. If you want to relay or if you want to link two apps, you need to use Zap. So once when you're here, you can click on Create Zaps. So Zaps is basically a link between a trigger and an action. I told you relaying two applications or softwares. Like one application will be the trigger, the next application will be the action. Now, what you need to do in order to make a link between your Shopify, because e-commerce is mostly done on Shopify, 99% it's done on Shopify. So Shopify here will be the e-commerce store, your e-commerce place, and it will actually be the trigger here, and the action will be your profile or your board in Monday.com. So how are we going to do it? We're going to do it like this. We're going to click here on trigger, and then we're gonna add Shopify here. Here you go. And we need to select an event because an event will actually be the trigger. So you can select any event that you want based according to your needs. But I am going to go here and I'm going to select new order. So a new order will be my event that is going to create a reaction. So in action, we're going to go on monday.com, and we can go and click here. You can select any other if you want based according to your need, but I'm going to go and select create item. So you can see a new order on Shopify whenever somebody, a customer, will, uh, complete an order on my Shopify, select a product that I've displayed there, and when the order is confirmed, then what I'm going to do, then it is automatically going to trigger my Monday.com profile or board, and it is going to create an item there. So this item that will be the order will be created here automatically. And that's how you actually connect your e-commerce store to Monday.com. So these are interlinked in between each other. The last thing that you need to do is you have to connect your Shopify, and then you have to connect your Monday.com profile. How do we connect Monday.com profile? Because connecting Shopify is very easy, but in order to connect your Monday.com account, you need to enter the API key. So what is an API key? API key is actually here. You need to go here and developers. Where can I see developers? Right here. My access token. And this is actually your developer key. You have to copy it. And once when you copy it, you have to come back and then you have to place the developer's key uh, right here. And that's how you'll be able to log into Monday.com, and log into Shopify is pretty easy. You just have to log into your Shopify website. That's it. So that's how you do it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.